my son, let's join my mother in reading.
Oh, it's not wrong to help your mother read.
Yes, occasionally help mom.
I don't want my white skin to turn black. My friends to get. I don't want my white skin to turn bright and my friends to get dirty.
Don't you feel sorry for mother?
I feel sorry for mother. There is not point in just going alone.
This time cancel rice to boil rice.
Oh, how much did I just get paid?
But I want to ask the money to buy rice.
I don't want to touch my mother.
Tonight, this morning with pet maybe no for her. But when are we going to eat tomorrow?
I don't want to notice my mother. Trying to be a real person.
And then the mother, mom is one. My sister with pain is smoothing you normal. Want to borrow money? I'm having trouble. Didn't you get that from more than style?
Oh my son, how come you dream son? How as for my beds for fly don't know hill.
Already remember what name of that smooth but I routine get you so that take her at you is at the head hair at you then is as your attitude is at the truth I have facts.
Who's don't boss what then goes is hill motor.
Okay, help you this name mom just text it. Okay, thank you for the long fly in off letter.
Come on please.
What are thing about?
What's so good to market?
Hey there, me and Chloe. I want to buy will by chum ugi.
But well, Fred shall be expressed. She'll read this motor is your motor.
I am effort to have an ugly the right trade mother is come on.
Dami is been a long time since I say you, how are you? You older and pretty. It's suitable if you live in the city. Why don't you just live in the city?
Stuarty, I also want to live in the city, but what if live in the city won't me?
Oh, I just read it that you have a maid. Well, apart from being beautiful, you are also beautiful.
Yes, what is can and do if I go to turn my mind in will at one is she actually babu. As if dance love my money to books of her did so I am not her I am made and I find her.
I just found out there are a people as good as you. Okay, I will help you to you.
Yeah, be careful. Come on, Mom. Hurry up, quiet. Go you servant Allah? I can no longer stand it, Ya Allah. Have you servant Allah?